Have you ever felt fear, anxiety, or emotional patterns that practically don't seem to belong to your own life, and you keep wondering, like, मुझे ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है करके? So science now shows that trauma can be passed through generations, and healing also can be passed forward too. And today I want to talk about on these lines something that explains that why so many people feel stressed, anxious, or emotionally stuck when their own life looks like fine. On the surface kuch nahi hua hai, but they don't understand there are some unexplained reasons. That is ancestral trauma. So what is exactly the ancestral trauma is? So ancestral trauma means basically like emotional and the nervous system patterns that are inherited from our families. हमारे अपने लाइफ में वो नहीं हो रहे होते हैं, लेकिन हमारे ancestors में कहीं कुछ हुआ है. We don't inherit memories, we inherit how the body learned to survive. For example, when people live through long periods of fear, loss, poverty, or instability, their nervous system adapts to survive. That survival wiring can be passed down through generations. For example, the famine, a powerful real-world example this is. Many of our grandparents and the great-grandparents lived through times of the extreme food scarcity. काफ़ी जब भूख का समय उन लोगों ने झेला है. Their bodies learned one powerful message. Food is not guaranteed. I must store, I must hold, I must survive. That survival response did not end with them there. Research now has shown that children and even grandchildren of those famine survivors often have higher stress responses, changes in the metabolism, stronger fear around the loss, and a tendency to store energy in the body. Even at the time when the food is available, there is no kami, there is no scarcity, but their bodies still behave as there is a scarcity could return anytime, always on the alert mode. This is called ancestral trauma, not as a memory, but as a biological pattern, it stays. So when someone lives through the severe stress or the starvation, their stress hormones and the survival genes becomes highly active. This is just one example I am sharing with you. So these changes affect how genes are expressed, and their patterns can be passed down generations to generations. So probably your body may still be reacting to the danger which happened generations ago, even in today's life when everything is safe. And how ancestral trauma shows up, in you, in us. This inherited survival wiring often appears as an anxiety or a constant worry about something, emotional heaviness or the numbness, or fear of losing money, or the stability, difficulty trusting or relaxing, gut issues, digestion issues, always feeling like that you have to hold on. These are not weaknesses. These are called survival patterns. And why it lives in the body? Because the trauma is basically not stored in the thinking mind. It lives in the nervous system of our body. The body remembers through the muscle tensions, through the shallow breathing, through all the time of the alertness for the certain things, and through the stress chemistry. So even when nothing is wrong, everything is perfectly working, your body may still feel unsafe. But here is the one healing truth. The beautiful part is the same biological system that passes trauma forward also passes the healing forward also. ये कैसे होता है? So जब हमारा nervous system calm है, when our nervous system is calm, we breathe deeply, feel your emotions, and allow rest. Your genes begins to express safety around the survival. They start feeling safe. And then the healing becomes part of what is being passed on to you. And how to heal the ancestral trauma? By regulating the nervous system, slow breathings, yoga and a meditation shift. This shifts the body out of the survival into the healing by letting the emotional awareness settle down in within yourself. When emotions are felt instead of suppressed, stored stress begins to get released. Use your body. The body movement, stretching, and stillness help the body to let go inherited tension. So basically, my friends, none of us are broken. We are just carrying the biological memory of people who had survived long time ago in our families. And when we choose gentleness and awareness, you become the generation that changes the story. So, if this resonated, like, share, and subscribe so we can continue this healing journey together. Hope to see you soon again. Thank you.